What's up, everybody? I'm about to show you how I do a difficult taper fade, so let's get right into it. Yeet. Alright, so at first this is pretty difficult. So first off, what I do is I start my line. It's kind of like a mid-low taper, so I start my my hard point line right there, like right below the ear, under the earlobe, and just take that out, and then I shave it up. Shave it up. Yeah, that's what I do, make it sharp. And then basically I just go ahead and grab my wall seniors and I open the lever up all the way up and I go a little bit, how like half a finger width, you know what I'm saying? So I just go up with it, you know what I'm saying? Make another line, and then I just go ahead and play with the leather, and then with the lever, my fault, and then I just go ahead and, take out them lines, blend it up pretty well. And that's my base for the this difficult taper fade. Now what I do is I just go ahead and grab my my 1.5 guard, open the lever all the way up, and I just go ahead and tackle up that bolt, line it up a little bit so I can create my blend. What you want to do is just go up probably about, the same as I did with the first line, about half a finger width. And then now what I do, I grab my 2, lever open, and I just tackle more bolt. Go ahead and knock that bulk out for a real good blend. So now what I do after I'm like, playing with the lever on that too, I just go ahead and go down with my 1 guard, lever closed or halfway open. And then I just go ahead and blend it in, blend everything that's under the bulk in so I can see where I'm going with it. Just play with the lever a little bit. Open, half, close, open. That's what I do. Then I just grab my half guard, do the same thing, start off with like half lever halfway open, and then I just go ahead and knock it out, blend it in as much as I can, get those dark spots out. So now what I'm doing right here, I'm doing a clipper over comb, knocking out that bulk, smoothing everything out, make sure everything blending in well. What you want to do with the clipper over comb is like basically just, take the comb up and angle it at a certain angle and see where you left off and get all that bulk off. That's what I do. See how I'm doing it, angling it. Yeah. Now I'm just grabbing my 2 guard again and lever closed, and I'm just flicking all the stringly hairs out. Now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my shears, looks like, they're my shears, and I'm just cutting all those lines out in the bulk that you see, making it blend in pretty well. Just making it look smooth. So what I do is grab my shears and just cut. And for more videos, y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's get it.